What are the best strategies for enforcing lease terms? Have you ever wondered how property managers ensure that lease terms are followed? Today, we will discuss effective strategies for enforcing those terms while navigating legal challenges. First, it all starts with a clear and comprehensive lease agreement. This document should outline the responsibilities of both the tenant and the landlord. It should detail payment schedules, maintenance duties, and rules regarding property use. Make sure this lease complies with local and federal laws to avoid any disputes. Regularly reviewing and updating the lease is also important to reflect any changes in laws or policies. Next, communication is key. When tenants sign the lease and move in, make sure they fully understand all terms. Providing a welcome packet with written materials can help clarify payment procedures and property rules. Clear communication reduces misunderstandings and helps tenants feel respected. Documentation is another vital aspect. Keep detailed records of all tenant communications, notices, rent payments, and any lease violations. This documentation is essential if disputes escalate to legal proceedings, as it supports your enforcement actions. Implementing a systematic rent collection process can also make a difference. Using online payment platforms can facilitate timely rent payments and minimize late fees. If a tenant is late, promptly address it with formal written notices that specify amounts due and deadlines to resolve the issue. Early intervention can prevent small problems from growing larger. Regular property inspections are important too. Schedule routine inspections to monitor the condition of the property and tenant compliance with lease terms. This proactive approach helps identify maintenance needs early and can detect lease violations, such as unauthorized occupants. When lease violations occur, it is crucial to address them promptly and fairly. Start with a written warning or notice as outlined in the lease. If the tenant does not correct the issue, escalate enforcement through fines or mediation if applicable. For serious breaches, follow legal procedures for eviction, ensuring to provide required notices and gather evidence for court. Understanding and following legal procedures is essential. Familiarize yourself with local landlord-tenant laws, including notice requirements and eviction processes. Proper legal compliance protects your rights and reduces the risk of lawsuits. Lastly, consider hiring professional property management assistants. A property manager can improve lease enforcement effectiveness. They handle tenant screening, rent collection, inspections, and legal actions efficiently, saving you time and protecting your investment. By combining these strategies, urban property managers can effectively enforce lease terms, maintain positive tenant relations, and safeguard their properties. Consistency, clarity, and legal knowledge are the keys to successful lease enforcement in urban property management.